Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Google Home. First, find a convenient spot for your device and plug it into a power source. Next, grab your smartphone or tablet and download the Google Home application from your App Store. Make sure your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network you intend to use for your Google Home. Once downloaded, open the app and sign in using your Google account credentials to begin the setup process. After signing in, the Google Home app will automatically scan for any new devices nearby. When your Google Home appears, tap on it to select it. You'll then see a unique 4-digit code on both your phone and the device itself. Confirm these match. Next, the app will prompt you to choose your Wi-Fi network from a list of available options. Select your home network and carefully enter your Wi-Fi password to establish the connection. Now it's time to personalize your Google Home experience. You can assign your device to a specific room, like the living room or kitchen, for better organization. The app also allows you to link your favorite music streaming services, such as Spotify or YouTube Music, and video services. A key feature is Voice Match, which lets your Google Home recognize your unique voice. This enables personalized responses and access to your calendar or playlists. With your Google Home fully set up, you can now explore its many capabilities. Ask it questions about the weather, news, or general knowledge and get instant answers. You can also control compatible smart home devices, like lights or thermostats, using simple voice commands. Setting alarms, timers, and reminders is incredibly easy. Plus, enjoy playing your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks just by asking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.